Hello children, let's begin exercise 21.2 today. We will deal in this triangle and parallelogram. Area of parallelogram, area of triangle, perimeter of triangle, perimeter of parallelogram. Okay. First of all, look at here. This is a triangle. Its three sides and this is called altitude. Altitude is the height of the triangle. Okay, this is a triangle AB, AC and BC three sides and this is the altitude. We have to find out the area of this triangle. What is the formula for this? So area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. This is height. Okay. If height is given, base is given, you can find out its area by using this formula. What will be the perimeter? So perimeter, you know, addition of or sum of all the boundaries of the figure. So AB plus BC plus AC is the perimeter, sum of all the sides. Okay. Area of parallelogram. In this, students, you know, parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. And this is the height of the parallelogram. If this is a base, corresponding to this base, this will be the height. And if you see the parallelogram this way, according to this base, this will be the height. So if the height is this, the area of parallelogram, you can write base into height. Its formula is base into height. In this, half into base into height, but in this only base into height. So this is base and this will be the height. Okay. And suppose this is base and this will be the height, then again you will write this base BC into H. Okay. But in both the case, area will be same. If the same parallelogram is having this height and this height also, the area will be same in both the case. Either you will find out according to this base or according to this base. Okay. What will be the perimeter of this parallelogram? So perimeter will be same as rectangle, twice of L plus B. Why? Because its also opposite sides are equal. So 2 length plus 2 breadth. So twice of L plus B. Now it is one of the very important property of triangle. You can see this is two parallel line. Okay. And you can see here two triangles. This is triangle ABC and this is triangle BDC. You can see here that both the triangles are on the same base BC and between the these two parallel line. Okay. So according to this, we can conclude that both height of both the triangle will be same because both are between these two parallel lines. So height of both the triangle will be same and base is also same. So in this case, whenever the triangle is between the same parallel line and on the same base, the area of the triangle, both the triangle will be equal. Its area will be equal to its area. Okay, in this case, between the same parallel line and on the same base. Got it? Now students, come to the exercise 21.2. Here we have to find the area of these figures. This is a parallelogram. So its formula, you know, base into height. This is the height and this is the base. So base into height, and area of triangle half into base into height. This is also a triangle. So base is 4 centimeter and this one is height 90 degree. Okay. So 3 centimeter. So you can find out the area of parallelogram. First one, A number, base into height. 3 centimeter into 5 centimeter equals to 15 square centimeter. Area will be always in square. Area of triangle half into base into height. So put it, base is 12, height is 4. Just cancel out 2 6 are 12, 6 4 are 24 square centimeter. Area of triangle again half into base into height. Its base is 4 and its height is 3. You can see in the figure. Base is 4, height is 3. So we can find out 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6 square centimeter. Okay. Now question number 2. The area of a triangle is 84 square centimeter. This time area is given. Find the altitude corresponding to the side measuring 14 centimeter. In this, altitude we have to find. Suppose this is a triangle and its area is given 84 square centimeter. And corresponding to this base, we have to find out its altitude. Means AD, that is height. Okay. and base is given. So very simple. Area of triangle is given. So we will write it here. And its formula is half into base into height. This is 84. So put the value of base here. Base is 14 centimeter. We have to find out the height. So write the height as it is 84. This 2 we can cancel. 2 7 ja 14. 7 into h, 7h. H value. This 7 will go down in divide. So 7 12 ja 84. 12 centimeter is the height. That is altitude. Okay. Now question number 3. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram PQRS are 12 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Adjacent sides means two sides which is attached. This side and this side adjacent. This side and this side is adjacent. But opposite sides means this two. Okay. So adjacent sides length is given and breadth is also given. 12 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Next is the height corresponding to the side is smaller is 8 centimeter. Means corresponding to the smaller side means this side. The height is given 8 centimeter. We have to find out the area of the parallelogram. Very simple. We can find out base into height. But again we have to find out altitude corresponding to the base PQ. So this is the base PQ and we have to find out its height corresponding to this. Suppose the height is coming here next. So we have to find out this height. Okay. So first we can easily find area of parallelogram is equal to base into height, and base is given smaller base, height is also given 8. So first one is, but second one area of parallelogram we can use this as in this, because as I have told you, if height we are taking this side or this side, the same parallelogram will have same area. Its area will definitely not change. Okay. So this time we can use this area in this. Area of parallelogram, that is we have taken out, but its formula we can write here, base into height. This time we are going to take this base PQ. So base is 12. Height we need to find out. So height we will write here, and area 48 which we have taken out. Now height value 48. This 12 will come down. 12 4 ja 48. 4 centimeter will be the height of this side. Got it? Now question number 4. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram are in the ratio. This time the adjacent sides are given in the ratio. So you can let the sides be 5x and 3x. Okay. Definitely the 5x will be the longer because 5 is more than 3 and 3x will be the smaller. So if the longer of the two sides is 7.5 centimeter, means side is also given but its ratio is given here. Okay. Find the perimeter of the parallelogram. So perimeter when you will find out? When we get its length and breadth. So it is also very simple. Look at here. Side is only the longer side is given of parallelogram. Adjacent sides are given in the ratio 5:3. Okay. So we can let the sides be 5x and 3x because it is given the ratio. We need to change this into the value. So 5x will be equal to 7. Why I have written this 5x is equal to 7.5? Because it is longer side and 5x is also the longer side. So can we equate this? You can give reason that longer side of parallelogram. So x value 7.5 divided by 5 decimal 0. You will cancel out. We will get 1.5 centimeter x value. So find out 5x means 5 into x 7.5. 3x is equal to 3 into x 4.5. Now length and breadth we know. We can find out the perimeter. Twice of L plus B. 7.5 plus 4.5, that is 12, and 12 2 ja 24 centimeter is the perimeter. You can take his length and this is breadth. Longer side and the shorter side. Got it? Question number 5 I will give you as homework. You have to do it. All the questions you want me to solve, this is not good. You have to also try. AB is 12 centimeter. BC side is given. BC is given 9 and AD is given 6 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle ABC. ABC. You can see here is 90 degrees. So definitely it is a what? Height, or you can say altitude. and BC is given 9 centimeter. This CD is not given, but we need to find out the area of triangle ABC. This is also 90 degree. So if we will get this base is given. So if we will get this height, we can find out the area of this triangle, base half into base into height. But how to find out this EC? And altitude CE also you have to find out. So if you will do one thing here, you can apply Pythagoras theorem in this bigger triangle. This is 90 degree. AB is like a hypotenuse, BD is like a base, and AD is a perpendicular. So AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. You can find out the value of this BD full. This BD you can get, or because this side is given, this side is given, but this side full is not given. You can let CD as x, 9 plus x whole square. You can find the value of this x, BD minus BC, you will get this x, and after that you will find out the area of this triangle, half into base into height. Okay, after getting this triangle area, you can subtract this area from the area of this full triangle, half into base into height minus half into base into height. This triangle minus this triangle, area of this minus area of this. After that we will get area of this. Okay, and after getting the area of this, we can find out the value of EC also. Okay, so try it, you can, otherwise I will explain you this in the next video. Okay.